What if everything we've been told about black holes is wrong? What if, instead of ending in a point of infinite destruction, a black hole contains a frozen Big Bang waiting to be reborn? Black holes are some of the most mysterious objects in the universe. For decades, scientists believed they were cosmic dead ends, places where matter is crushed forever into an infinitely tiny point. But a surprising new theory suggests something completely different. According to some physicists, the center of a black hole may not be an ending at all. It could be the beginning of something new. And if they're right, black holes might contain entire newborn universes hidden inside them. The traditional idea is simple. When a massive star dies, its core collapses under its own gravity. The collapse continues until all the matter is squeezed into a single point called a singularity. A singularity is supposed to have infinite density and zero size. At that point, gravity becomes infinitely strong. Everything that falls in is trapped forever. For years, this was considered the ultimate fate of matter inside a black hole. But there was one major problem. The math itself seemed to be telling us something was wrong. Scientists don't like infinities. Whenever physics predicts an infinite value, it's often a sign that the theory is breaking down. General relativity, Einstein's theory of gravity, predicts singularities, but quantum mechanics, the science of the incredibly small, doesn't agree. The two most successful theories in physics refuse to work together inside a black hole. It's like having two maps that describe the same place, but show completely different roads. That conflict has pushed physicists to search for a better explanation, and that's where a fascinating new idea appears. Some researchers working on a theory called loop quantum gravity believe singularities may not exist at all. Instead of matter collapsing forever, quantum effects create a powerful pressure that stops the collapse at the last possible moment. The crushed core becomes something called a Planck star. Think of it like a cosmic spring. Gravity compresses it enormously, but eventually the quantum pressure pushes back. Instead of being crushed into nothing, the matter bounces. In a sense, the center of the black hole becomes a frozen version of a Big Bang. From the outside, time near the black hole slows down dramatically. What might be only a brief moment inside could appear to last billions of years to distant observers. So the bounce is happening, but to us, it looks frozen in time. If this idea is correct, black holes may not be cosmic graveyards. They could be gateways to entirely new regions of space and time. Some scientists even speculate that every black hole could give birth to a new universe. Others suggest that after an incredibly long time, a black hole might transform into a white hole. A white hole is the opposite of a black hole. Instead of pulling matter in, it releases matter outward. Imagine a universe being born from the heart of a black hole. It sounds like science fiction, but it's a real scientific possibility being explored today. This isn't just a wild guess. The theory comes from serious attempts to combine gravity and quantum physics. Researchers are studying whether unusual signals from black holes, mysterious bursts of energy, or future observations could reveal evidence of Planck stars. Right now, there is no definitive proof, but the mathematics suggests that singularities may not be the final answer, and that's enough to keep scientists investigating. A teaspoon of black hole material would weigh billions of tons. Time moves slower near a black hole than almost anywhere else in the universe. And according to this new theory, the center of a black hole might not be an end. It could be a hidden beginning. What do you think? Could black holes be creating new universes right now? Leave your thoughts in the comments. And if you love space mysteries, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more incredible discoveries.